Hello everyone, I'm here with Eden Oladende with Simple Science with Eden. Today we're going to tell you how you can turn a regular breakfast egg into a bouncy ball. First, I'm going to have Eden explain what she did to achieve this project.
Okay, so kids, you had to take a cup and then you had to take vinegar and then put the vinegar into the cup and then take a regular egg like this and then you put the egg into the vinegar and then you wait for 30 hours and then when you see it look like this, it has lines on it, and try it if it can bounce like this, and that is all
Okay.
for today.
What Eden was saying is you take the regular egg like this. You take a regular cup, any type of cup that you have. We have an Anna and Elsa cup here. It's an old cup, so we use that. And also we had some apple cider vinegar on hand. You can use white vinegar if that's what you have at home. Anything with acid should be able to work to break down the egg. So what happens is once the egg is sitting inside the acid for a certain amount of time, we did it for 32 hours, it broke down the compounds of the shell and it turns into a rubber ball. I can move this out of the way and I can show you. It actually functions as a regular ball. So if you guys want to try it at home, talk to your parents, show them this video, and let us know in the comments how it went. Thanks, bye-bye.